Continuing on, seeing zero break 53-53 with 13-14 crown, Royale and totally certified. We've got a Sovereign Sigs of Chris Kreider for the Rangers. Rookie royalty autograph of Jeff Zatkoff for the Pittsburgh Penguins. We have got a Royal Lineage Triple Prime jersey number 25 for the Dallas Stars of Joe Nieuwendyk, Tyler Seguin, and Antoine Roussel. Triple Prime jersey for the Dallas Stars. Red of Danny Heatley for the Minnesota Wild. And a Heirs to the Throne jersey of Zemgus Girgensons for the Buffalo Sabres. Alright, on to Totally Certified. Name on the board. We've got number /15 mirror blue of Thomas Vanek for the Islanders, a rookie of Corey Conacher for the Senators. Oh my goodness, this is full of hits. A rookie autograph for the Nashville Predators of Eunice Rask. And we're not done with this pack. A clear cloth jersey number /100 for the Anaheim Ducks, Nick Bonino. Nick Bonino. For the Minnesota Wild, rookie jersey auto, Matt Dumba. We've got a rookie mirror red number /100 of Danny DeKeyser for the Red Wings. Nice. And a 4-color totally certified patch number 2 of 5 for the New York Islanders, Thomas Vanek. 2 of 5 for the Islanders, Thomas Vanek. Rookie of Drew Shore for the Florida Panthers. And a totally certified jersey of Jonas Hiller for the Anaheim Ducks.